All right, boys and girls, we are on week 12, day 1 week 12, day 1 of daily math. So let's look at our first problem. It says a swimming pool has a perimeter of 72 feet. The short sides measure 16 feet. What is the length of the longer side of the pool? So I'm going to do this on my notebook because I don't have a whole lot of room right there. So I need a rectangle to start me off because that's the shape of the pool. So the short side is 16 feet. We need to figure out the length of the longer sides. So we know in a rectangle that if this side's 16 feet, this side is also 16 feet. We also know that the total perimeter is 72 feet. That means if we add up all four sides, we're going to get 72. So remember, this is 3 steps. So we're going to add, subtract, divide by 2. So the first step we're going to do is add our 2 sides together. 16 plus 16. 12, carry your 1, 32. Then we're going to subtract from our total. So 72 minus 32. And then step 3 is we have 2 sides that we can share 40 with. So 40 divided by 2, or what times 2 gives you 40? And you should have come up with 20. So the length of the long side is 20 feet. All right, next problem. It says write the number in standard form. So we're first going to take the largest number, which is 800,000, and we know that it has 6 digits. So I'm going to make sure that my standard number also has 6 digits. All right, so the 800,000 goes in the hundred thousands place. We have 2 10,000s. We have 7 thousands. We have 6 hundredths. We have 7 tens and 7 ones. So you should have gotten 872,677. All right, 38 times 7. I'm going to use the standard algorithm. You may use any strategy that you like: partial quotients, area model, distributive property. I'm going to start with 8 times 7, which is 56. So 6, carry my 5. 7 times 3 is 21, plus 5 is 26. So you should have gotten 266. All right, here's another word problem. It says 64 students voted for Morgan. 2 times as many students voted for Whitney. How many students voted all together? So this is 2 steps, okay? So we already know how many voted for Morgan. What we don't know is how many voted for Whitney. So we got to figure out how many students voted for Whitney first. So in my notebook, I know that Morgan had 64 students vote for her. And Whitney had 2 times as many. So Whitney had 2 times as many. So I need to do 64 times 2. So 4 times 2 is 8. And 6 times 2 is 12. So Whitney had 128 people vote for her. That's not our answer. That's just our step to the answer. The question is, how many students voted all together? Well, if Morgan had 64 people vote for her, put it in for Morgan, and Whitney had 128 people vote for her, how many people voted all together? So Morgan had 64 and Whitney had 128. So we're going to add those together. 128 plus 64. So 8 plus 4 is 12. Carry your 1. 6 plus 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9. Bring down your 1. So 192 students voted. All right. I hope that you did good on your daily math. I'll see you tomorrow for some more math problems.